Hello guys, this is Real Tools. Today I'm to unbox a flashlight. So this is not about knife, this is not about leathercraft tools, but this is about flashlight. So I got into flashlight very late, so I wasn't really into flashlight because I have no place to use them unless I look for certain things in tight spot under the bed or anything dark. I don't usually really had no needs for flashlight, but then because of my work I had to use my flashlights and I need a really good headlamp, so I need something to install in the helmet so that I can see in the dark area. So this is one of the flashlights my colleague was using. I tried how it looks like, and I saw how bright it is and the feature it had, and I think this is my go-to flashlight now to use. There are a lot of headlamps out there, but this one is the far has the brightest and also the longest hour that you can put out on your helmet. So without further ado, I will do the unboxing today, and I will show you night shots after it gets dark today. I will show you how bright it is in the night. So let's unbox it now. So Olight, I believe this is Chinese company. They've been making really nice flashlights, and they have really good customer service, and they're pretty high-end flashlight company, I think. Not to the extreme level, but very well made flashlights. So this is Perun 2. I'll put the link in the description in the comment box where you can purchase this. So it has many features, so I'm very happy to own one of these. So no, the flashlight itself, and sponge, nothing. Put this away. Yeah. So this box, I think there is a headlamp. Yeah, this is documentation about user manual, and this is the one that I need for my helmet. And this is, I believe, this is the charging cable. And small tool for the lanyard, so that you can hook it up to the flashlights. So yeah, this is the magnetic charging cable, so you can just stick it to like this. So with the USB end, which is protected, you can charge it magnetically like this. And they have a tool like this to help to get this very thin line to hook up here. You need this tool to do that. So there you go. So they're very nice touch to it. So you can put this very thin lanyard into this hole using this fishing hook type of tool, but I'm not going to use any lanyard. I'm just going to carry it without a clip, and or just on a helmet attached to this helmet secured thing. So just try to put it like this to show you guys what it looks like. I need to remove the clip first. In order to remove the clip, you just need to use your thumb and just press it against, yeah, just pull it out like this, yeah. And you can just put it like this. And this rubber or silicone ring will be settled on this groove onto the flashlight, so it will be secured quite securely. So just push it like this, like this. So on your helmet, it will be onto your helmet like this, and then you will have it adjusted like this. Yeah. So this, what's unique about this flashlight is it takes, first of all, I'll remove this cover, lens cover, and if you see there's a sensor. So what this proximity sensor does, if your flash is too bright and if something close to the lens, it might be also affecting the LED because the distance is too near, and the heat builds up and it's not good for the LED. So this sensor really minimize the light, lower the light so that it protects the LED, also protects the skin or the object, and it skins the it protects the circuit, and just try to protect the flashlights. So it's a really nice feature. And there you go. This is the battery. You remove this ring, so now you can turn it on. The battery this battery takes is quite large. It's called 21700, and it's a 4 milliampere, 4000 milliampere, 3.6 volts. It's a quite unique. They say this is modified, special custom order made, but I believe it has something to do with this magnetic charging thing, because instruction they say only charge this inside of the flashlights and do not charge this with the external charger. And I'm not sure if the other brand 21700 battery will be also charged inside this flashlights. I'm not sure, but I'll try, and let you know also as well. So like that, just a one click. Okay. It doesn't have a full battery capacity, so it will not give you the different brightness of the lights right now. So I'll charge it fully and I'll show you in the night. Just to let you know, guys, this is how the runtime looks like if you charge it fully. So with the turbo mode, from 2500 lumens to 800 lumens, that's first of 2 minutes of maximum brightness, and after that it goes down a little bit and it will be bright about 175 minutes. For normal use, I'll use high, so it's 500 lumens, and you can do it for 270 minutes, which is around a little bit more than 4 hours. This is plenty enough for me. And medium, 120 lumens, 18 hours, that's a lot. And low modes, which you can read books or maps, you can do it for 66 hours. Yeah. And moonlight mode, which you can really just turn it on to see something very closely, something very very small lights. You can run it up to 12.5 days. Yeah, this is amazing, and it has the shock resistance and water resistance, and also it has a really good weight. It's not too heavy, so I think this will be one of my go-to tool sets when it comes to camping or working. I can use it very good with the confidence. Has a very good characteristic as a magnetic as well, so you can stick it to any steel material like this on a car like this, and still your light will be perpendicular to the plates where you stick your flashlight to. So on your cars, the bottom or something, you can just stick it and you can adjust your direction like this. Will be very handy. Also, you can use this magnet to find something where that is magnetic. So you'll pick up something from your bottom of the workshop table, or you're trying to find a small screw, you can just find it and you can just grab it like with your magnets. So very handy feature. It's a perpendicular feature, like I said. And how to function these is the one click will turn the light on, and just hold it pressed to change your mode. Now right now it's going only 2 modes, and then when you arrive your modes, you let it go and press it again to turn it off. To make turbo modes, you double click. Yeah, but right now the battery is not so much, so it doesn't give you power modes, but you just double click and you're supposed to get the really bright modes. I will show you in the nights. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the nights. So I'm outside at night, and this is firefly mode. So it's a very light mode that you can't see much from far, but then you can see down a little bit. You can see this much. This is the lowest mode with this flashlight. Yeah, you can see something from the bottom, but nothing far away, nothing much. So next mode, this is mid, so you can see a lot down, but again nothing that much far away, just near your area, bottom, trees a little bit. Yeah. And next mode, high. This is high mode. Flashlights can light up quite far away. Yeah. See, trees. Yeah. Bottom, a little bit over there. Bottom quite bright. Is rock and the tree. Yeah. This is the mode that I will be mainly using, and you can go extremely high mode. Just double click, and then you can see a lot. You know, far from where I'm standing, so you can see really bright. You can just tilting my angle here, so really far. If I point it downwards, it will be too bright for my eyes to see something what's underneath my feet, so I will have to just aim it to the outwards where my vision is, the far away. This is 2500 lumens, very bright, right? Wide angle beam as well. So this is what the max mode looks like. You can see a lot. Yeah, this is also a good way to show. So if I turn off, this is medium, I think. While you hold it, this changes its mode. So this is high. This is low mode. Only the bottom. You can't see much further. You can see a little bit more. You can see far away. This is high mode. It's a this is 500 lumens. You can see quite far away. Oh, you can see. It's okay. Yep. And what I like about turbo mode, it's a really bright mode. You can see a lot of things with the power mode. Yep. Yep. That's about it. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, I'll make a long-term review with a different battery as well. So hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.